Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set time and date on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Mark you, when you want to set your date and time on your Apple Watch, you need to connect your Apple Watch to your iPhone. That is why I have my iPhone here. So your Apple Watch and your iPhone must be connected together. And if you have done that, it is very easy to set date on your Apple Watch or set time on your Apple Watch. The fastest and easiest approach to do this is you just want to synchronize your Apple Watch and your iPhone together. If they are both synchronized together, then the time on your Apple Watch and your iPhone should be the same. It doesn't count whether you're using digital or you're using analog. The time are going to be the same. If the time are not the same, then this is how you can set date and time on your Apple Watch. First is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down. Just keep scrolling to get to general. Click on general. Scroll down the general page. Locate and click on time and date, or date and time. Now, once you selected that here, if you want to set your time on your Apple Watch automatically, just come here and turn on set automatically. Once you set automatically, this is going to pick your time zone automatically based on your region, and this is going to reflect on your Apple Watch as well as on your iPhone. If you want to set the time manually, what you need to do is toggle off set automatically and then come to where you say month and time. Click on the month, then come here and select day of the month. Then once you selected the day and the month, you should see time in it. Now click here to set your time. So if your time is, let's say it's 8:50 or whatsoever, click outside. Then once you set the time here, now just hit the back button and then you should see the time reflected on your iPhone and then the same time reflected on your Apple Watch. So whatever time you have on your iPhone is going to come up on your Apple Watch. And if you choose to go with set automatically, toggle this on, then you should set time at 7:51 and then here you should set at 7:51. If you want to use 24-hour time, just come here and turn on 24-hour time. The 24-hour time is going to be enabled both on your iPhone as well as on your Apple Watch. To disable it, toggle this off. So that's exactly how to set date and time on Apple Watch. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.